It's green. Back to bed. Okay, today I'm going to be playing the world's easiest game, made easy by Nelly. So I'm going to play the game. So, you are the red square. Avoid the blue circles and collect the yellow circles. Once you have collected all of the yellow circles, move to the green to complete the... Okay. Sorry, I do not like reading and also... Come in, please. Okay, okay, so controls are W, S, and D, and A. Click like that. I already played this game, but I can only... What? I haven't even done this one. That was easy. What? Where are even all these squares? Okay. Okay, tip. Don't just jump right into a level you've never played before. Analyze the... Yes, I have. I've read all this, so I'm going to give you a little bit of time to read, so you can, like, play this too. Oops, sorry. Okay, have you all read it? Hopefully you have. If you're a slow reader, I'm going to give you like a minute more. Okay, that minute's over. I'm a fast counter. Okay, this one was easy, so there is nothing to collect here, so... Where are all the things that are after me? Like, I'm really confused. Like, they weren't here last time either when I was playing. So, yeah. Oh, I forgot to say, don't get dizzy now. Okay, so, I was going to say at the beginning, but I couldn't. Because I was dumb and I forgot. Like my videos, please. Comment on my videos what you want me to do next. I'll try and find the right one. If it's not the right one, say what you want me to type in. Like, copy it. And I'll copy that into the search. And then please subscribe. So I'm gonna get on with this level. So, hello, can I play, please? Oh, thank you. What happens if, like, I don't collect them? Do I die? Okay, guys. This game is confusing me, like, a lot. There's supposed to be stuff attacking me, but there isn't. How fast can you go? Really fast. Like this fast. Which is really slow. Don't get confused now. I'm not getting confused. Okay, maybe I'm about the things not like attacking me, but other than that, I'm not confused. So, this game is like dumb. How good are you? Do I have to do this? I don't know how many people like suggested this to me in school. Like, seriously. Okay, you can read that. So I'm just gonna ditch all the reading. That's not harder.
Guys, what I'm going out there.
Just give up. Nope, I'm not giving up. You can force me all you want, but I won't. Because I'm doing this for subscribers. Well, not subscribers, just like... I don't know what I'm doing it for. For fun? Yeah. Hope you're not in a hurry. I'm not in a hurry. Stupid. This is way too easy for you. I know it is, isn't it? Don't. Really? Ditch reading.
Girls, please, we'll take back in a bit.
Give up, this one is even harder. What? Harder? This is not hard. It's just a red square collecting yellow stuff. Why am I saying blue when it's not even blue? I can seriously see that it is yellow. I'm really done. This one is too hard, you'll never be able to do it. Just because there's lots of these? Really? If you guys can see the thing attacking me, tell me in the comments section below. Ditch reading. Gets harder now, does it? Well, I've got to collect all these, but doesn't mean it's getting harder. It just means it's getting more yellow things and more lines to go. It doesn't mean it's getting harder. Stupid. I've already lost. No, I haven't. I'm gonna try Queasy Cat. Because this is just saying I'm losing, but I'm not. Queasy Cat! Here's Queasy Cat. Yay! Queasy Cat, oh yeah! Queasy Cat, oh yeah! Have done like 10 minutes, 41 seconds, and 8 hours. It says it. It says 8 hours. Oh, that's the time. Silly me, 10 minutes. I've got 5 more minutes. On this one. What? What? No! Yandere Simulator! Okay guys, I've got to try this. Play, play, play. Please let me play. I've always wanted to play this game. No, I can't download it. My mum will get mad. My mum doesn't like this game. She had it when she was little and she died a million times and got really mad. Oh, okay. Bye guys, I gotta go. See you in my next video. Or my second video. Bye. I didn't mean to do that.